Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Well, one of the things I always say to you, it's really important before you get your car custom dyno tuned, that the person doing the tune is making sure mechanically the car's in good order. As with every vehicle we custom dyno tune at Ultimate Diesel Tuning, we do the mechanical inspection on the vehicle to ensure that all the fluid levels are correct, there's no fluid leaks, and on top of that, mechanically the car has no other problems. I've got behind me a 2019 model Isuzu D-Max, and we've had two of these in this week, both presenting with very similar concerns where the customer said just down on power doesn't seem to go as well. So when we've done the inspection on both these cars, I want to inform you what we've found. So with the intake pipe, this has been in, the mechanics have already done the work and it's already loose, but you'll actually see this is the intake pipe which is all attached to the vehicle, but we could see some residue and you can see there's a crack. Now this happens to these vehicles quite a lot. This vehicle's done 140,000 Ks and the other car we had earlier this week had very similar and was cracked in exactly the same spot. When people are removing the airbox, changing filters in the vehicle, they're lifting it up and obviously pulling it out. One of the things when they're lifting it up, they're bending these plastics and it does get damaged. This was sitting in the vehicle, looked like that. You couldn't even really see the crack, but when we go through, we know to look for these things and obviously identified, you can see this one is absolutely destroyed. The big issue behind this is obviously the car wasn't running well, but also that is sucking in air that has not been filtered and going straight into your turbo, into your engine. So here's a brand new one directly from my Isuzu. As you can see, no cracks, brand new. We'll fit this one onto the vehicle and we'll get it on the dyno and get it custom dyno tuned, and there'll be a very big difference when this customer drives out with this car, with the new part, and I diagnose that problem and custom dyno tuned it.